Hi. I am Sam from the editorial team of MyAssignmentHelp.com. Do you know what I do these days? Read a lot of books, good, delicious ones, and relax a lot. You may be wondering, why is an editor not proofreading documents or checking grammar? Well, it's all because of this wonderful grammar checker tool from MyAssignmentHelp.com. It does multiple things. Analyzes word choices, usage of words in the sentences, how the sentence is constructed. Analyzes active-passive sense, prepositions, articles, modifiers. Analyzes phrases and clauses in the sentences. Analyzes the tenses, spellings, use of pronouns, punctuation, and all other aspects of grammar. What I get at the end? A complete flawless document. Using it is damn easy. Just copy-paste the text or upload the document you want to get checked. Click the Check Grammar button and let the magic begin. The grammar checker will thoroughly edit your document, highlighting every grammatical errors, even the minutest one. Now you can rectify those errors and get a flawless document worth submission. You can use this tool for checking essays, research papers, thesis, dissertations, homework or coursework, and all other academic works, and get 100% grammatically error-free works. Don't be left behind. Use this tool and ace the fundamentals of grammatical knowledge today. I have recommended all my students to use this tool. Even you should use it. Bye. Meet you with more such wonderful tools being prepared by MyAssignmentHelp.com team.